In the pursuit of excellence, there are those who stand out, those who seek to push the boundaries of knowledge and skill, those who aspire to make a difference in the lives of others. Are you ready to join the ranks of the exceptional? To embark on a journey of clinical excellence and personal growth? Tarabichi Healthcare now opens its doors to clinical observers from around the globe, an opportunity for driven and passionate medical professionals to elevate their careers to new heights.
It has opened a new horizon for me in endoscopic ear surgery.
I'd like to thank Dr Tarabichi for an amazing opportunity to attend this course on endoscopic ear surgery. I've learned a lot from these last 2 days.
I want to thank Dr Tarabichi for giving me this opportunity to attend this endoscopic ear surgery dissection workshop.
What impressed me was certainly his great experience, and more than that, his humbleness and availability with students.
His charismatic personality, his firm grip on endoscopic sinus surgery, and his ability to effectively communicate made him a great leader.
Under the guidance of renowned experts in their respective fields, fellows will immerse themselves in a rich learning environment, gaining hands-on experience and honing their skills.
I must say that it was a very worthwhile and fun-filled experience. I learned a lot from various mentors, and I got to see the state-of-the-art equipment in the center, and I had the opportunity to observe in a lot of surgeries almost actually every day of my rotation here in the Tarabichi Center.
Join us in our mission to deliver exceptional care, advance medical knowledge, and shape the future of healthcare. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about how you can become a part of our clinical fellowship program. Together, let's make a difference. Join us in our journey towards excellence.